Hey, hi everyone. I'm back with a small update in the UI on Twitch. And let's continue our work. So last week on Friday, I tried to implement I tried some character design, trying to understand if MetaHuman was a solution for this type of game. And for one man solo game developer, as of course I cannot make difficult hard choices here. And it seems like MetaHuman is not the right choice. So I've also looked about Character Creator 4, and I still am not sure about that also. So everything related about character and monsters is on pause for now, of course. On Discord, and I remember if you want to follow our Discord channel, the link is here in the description. On the news part, I've written what is done, what is implemented, just basic things, nothing here is polished. And what we need to do for have a more polished version. For the features here, I was thinking about also implementing some old features that we had in Sinners Online that are the AGM, the automatic gathering mechanic. Let's see. You can see the AGM working on the trailer of Sinners Online. Where is the trailer? Not even. Did I write it? Yes, I spelled it wrong. So let's see. You can see it here also. One coming down here. The other one is here. And the AGM was a mechanic that let you gather items all around where you put down the AGM. So before putting down, see here on the right, there is also a small UI. Here someone scanned the zone to see what you can gather here. In this case, nothing interesting. Just some seeds. Hey Lars, hey Shiroid. Yes, Sinners Online was the last project, but failed, luckily, for too high server cost for maintaining the servers. So it was not working, luckily. It was a good project. But we will use some features from this game. So someone, you had to scan the zone, you were able to see what there is here, this zone, and then you could call the AGM. AGM went down and started to gathering. There was the health of the AGM and how much time it's taking. In this case, it's closer to be completed. When the AGM was working, monsters spawned all around and started attacking the AGM. You had to defend the AGM from the monsters, and when you wanted, when it was completed, or when the health was very low, you could go there near the AGM and call it back. Press OK, and then the AGM started to fly back. And you gathered everything the AGM discovered. Probably we will do something similar. I still need to think about some basic things, but let's see. Because here in this game, all the crafting items, all the items that were for crafting or for resources, you didn't have it in your inventory, but you had them in the town here where you used the AGM. To craft items, you could craft items only in big cities, in big towns, so you had to go to the town where you gathered the object and transport all your item on the main town. To transport them, you could not teleport, of course, because it had no sense. You had to take the caravan, was this case this one, this small thing. And with the caravan, you had to take the items you wanted to transport of the caravan and go where you wanted to, on the next town, or where you had more items, or where there was a crafting zone. When you went with the caravan, also here some NPCs spawned all around. There were thieves, and they could destroy your caravan. Not only in this, but also other players that were how to say it, that were subscribed, registered as a thief. They had a different skin, so you could see that that player was a thief. They were be able to attack your caravan and stole everything you had in the caravan. So it was a bit dangerous, but if you wanted more high-level items, it was the only way to do it. So it was a bit PvP and a bit PvE. I want to do something like that also here, but without the jobs, because in this game there was the merchant, where it was using the caravan, there was the guard, where it was just defending the caravan, and then there was the thief that he had to go to the caravan and try to destroy it. Without that one. But before doing all that, will be a bit boring job now. So last Friday I also finished mostly the swimming system, not perfect, but it's something, and also the boats, some basic things. Here with the boats, we need to implement a system where you can call your boat. How to say it? You can buy your boat and then you can call it, so it will spawn near here, and then you can go. We need to do something like that, and we need to do something also for the horses, where there is like stall for horses, where you with an NPC. You talk with the NPC, and there you can see all your horses you have there. You can call a horse back. But I think it's not fun to develop. But we need to do it. Stuff like we cannot do the boring stuff. Okay, let's see if everything is working before continuing. The tasks are working. Okay, the UI is working. The live is not there. Uh, I I am also trying to stream on Twitter, if it makes sense. Okay, I just started to stream on Twitter, and I just see followers that are spam. Just just bots mostly. Ah, it's so strange. Let's see if it's working. Ah, I have no idea where on Twitch I'm streaming. It seems like I'm streaming somewhere. Sorry, on Twitter. Twitch is here working, YouTube is working, and let's go. First task, bots manager. Let's work on some basic UI. So the UI is very easy. Remember where the software is. Just use Ita. So I will divide it two parts. One, not everything will work. One is oh my god, I cannot use this software. Let's do it like this. One is the list of the horses that you have on the left with the whole image and a name and well, the level, the horse. Same here. Okay. Then on the bottom, some buttons. Well, on the right bit. Okay, let's make this smaller. Width. Or beautiful. Then when you press here, oh, there is also the health here. When you press and it's selected, it will come other buttons. It will be like okay, I don't like this software, it's free. What to say in English? Take out. Wow. Well, I will change later on. Okay, I don't like this software. Oh my god. Okay, now I understand it a bit. Make it smaller. To make it smaller, I need to go here. Take out, then also health. Let me think. Well, for now, just this. And here on the center, the cool thing will be to have the will be to have the horse here. Beautiful now. To see a preview. So different horses, different colors, different items. Let's see how much it takes. So let's start. Let's start to build the logic about this code. Before doing the interface, we need to create the database of the horses that the player own, and we need to also have them in the database that are just for that NPC. So we need a struct that has all the information. Okay, I'm doing the horse right now. In my to-do list, the first one, what was it? Lots. Wait a moment. Change it. Okay. So create a new structure, and the same will be with the bots. But it should be easier when I do one. The bots, it's practically the same system, same UI probably. Okay, this is just a struct that is that will have the information the horse. So we need ID. We need horse blueprint. Well, do like so. Horses will also have stats, but we will do it later. Oh, I will take something to drink. Okay. The horse will have also a name, type. And well, nothing more. Now, I think we can make a folder here. Item system, stall system. I don't know how to call it. Then we will have a database that has a list of every horse that the player has. So what we need to save in this database or list? Horse owned. we need, first of all, the player ID. String in this case, because we are saving here player ID is the unique ID from Steam. Then we have horse ID. In this case, an integer because it's coming from the other oh, did I do an ID for the horse? It's not a good way to do it in this case. Because there is no, it's not working like a real database. I will do the horse ID also like a string, so it's easier. Probably type and ID will be the same. Want to move it up. Yeah. So this player ID has this horse ID that has so much life, because we need to save it. Because if we don't save the health, of course, when a user logs out, return will disappear. Then we need to save the position. This is a vector tree. Why we need to save the position? Well, of course, because if a player log out, also the horse will log out with him. And when the players log in back, the horse should spawn in the same position where it was. So player ID, horse ID, health, position. And we need to save also the stall. The stall that is also the unique ID of the NPC that has his horse. And we need also to save if it's stored. Is it stored? And it's a boolean, yes or no. So if this is not stored, we need to spawn it on this position. If it is stored, we need to and we don't need to spawn it. It's just in the UI of this NPC. Perfect. Now, what else we need to do? Okay, I think the structure is everything. We can hold also new variable later on if we need it. Well, horse owner by player, we don't need player ID because this struct will be an array saved in the player data. It's here. Here, this is the player data. We create a new variable that is horse. Type is horse owned by. What did I write? We will change it later on, and we will make it. It's an array. Change here the name. Okay. Nothing else. Now we need the list of the horse. Here there is a folder that is data table. You put it inside the inventory. We create a new one, data table, type as horse. We call it data table. So we start with the first horse. Ah, yes, I did this wrong completely. Change it. So row name and ID. I don't need ID here. Row name is the ID. Okay, I will change it later. No, I will change it now because not do it if we don't change it. So I fix also. So the issue that is class reference in this case. ID we don't need. So just also we can save a new variable that is dog of this horse, and it's an integer. So guys, how do we call this horse? What is the type of this horse? No idea. Let's look in Google. Okay, let's see if I find something. No. Let's check. This force is something like that one, right? It's very similar. Oh, this page is in Italian. Let's look something else. Well, I don't want to lose too much time. For now, we'll just call it paint horse. Also, the row name is the same, but without spaces. Okay, repeat value, we put the horse, and value in money, random one, just something like that. Perfect, we have the first horse saved in the database. Not really a database, sorry, a data table. Now we need to open our player. A bit a mess. We create a new category later, and we create an new variable that it's called force owned. Force owned is replicated with the client and just with the owner, this player, so just the player has this list because we don't need to replicate it with everyone. And it has this struct that is called horse owned by player, and it's an array. An array, it's a list. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, sorry, I lost for a moment the microphone. An array, it's practically a list of items. can see it also here from the icon. Now, it's giving me error, but I think it's a bug of the last version. This never happened before. Not like there is really an error. It's that I can't compile the blueprint. But if I do something like that, if I save this, save this, back here, refresh, save another time, compile. Well, I will fix it later. It's just something that I need to save somewhere. So now, how do you own a horse? It would be cool to add some taming function where you go with the horse, you need to tame it. But no, too difficult, sorry. For now, the horse, you just buy them on the NPC. Let's see the word in English. Staliere. Okay, you have. Oh. From the groom, if I'm not wrong. Google is not wrong. Okay. So we need to create a new NPC. We call it room. Oh. Oh, but what I'm writing here? Before, okay, we did this NPC, but cannot just do that. We need to go the widget. Widget is how you Arial is calling the UI. And you need to create a new one. But before doing that, let's see how they did it. For example, let's see crafting. They have here overlay and contain many things. Horizontal box, because it has a different box. That one is vertical, one is a size box. And on the overlay has a border that is type is it border. Need to study a bit the UI thing. Description, yeah. The list of items that you need to cite. And here on the graph, when you click on one item, it'll generate the crafting information that is coming from crafting ID. But I'm more interested in the general updated crafting list. Crafting table. Checking if it's valid. It's checking also if it has a search parameter, but we will not have it. If everything is okay, we create a new widget and we add it here. It's interesting and very interesting. We will see later. It's putting it inside the crafting list. It is this one. This is type scroll box. Very easy. Nothing too complicated. Okay. Let's see the background here. What is using. I'm just using a blank image and adding a hint. This black with background match focused, sorry, was checking the wrong one. So yes, it's adding a tint that is black with alpha to 30%, because here 1 is 100, yes. Okay. Very good. Need to do something like this, slowly. We will use the same font. It's using Roboto. Size, color and opacity, Roboto bold, Roboto regular. What color is it? This is not yellow. Sorry, this is not white. Yes, it's white, but with half alpha. 50% of alpha. Let's call this room. Widget room. So the first time I will copy a bit from someone else, like I did before. is using overlay horizontal box. We don't need a horizontal box, but we need first of all add an overlay because we need to have more elements. One on the left and one on the bottom. So here in the overlay, we make, let's see. Here he has a horizontal box. But how is he setting the dimension of the box? No idea. So here it's a size box. Here, you know, with this one. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, because we see the box is up here. Small, very small box. This small box we need to put. I'm not sure anymore about this way of doing it. Before adding the vertical box, I need to add also, what's this called? Let's see. Border. Let's see what a border is. The border will be black. Brush color. With just some alpha. Okay, we don't want it here. Want it something like this here. We still don't have control. We need to create a size box. We need it. I don't see other way to do it. Maybe there is one. The size box, well, the position is correct. We can say how much it something like and min also desired 8. Min desired 8. Max desired 8. Ah, sorry, this is expected ratio. Sorry, I'm checking the wrong one. Okay, something like that. The minimum should be just like this, okay? Okay, more happy. And the box should be something like this. Oh, okay. And the title should be something like this on the center, padding left, padding top, some padding like this. Okay, now here need to add an overlay, another one. Border. Border cannot have an overlay. Let's see how they did it. Yeah, there is just the border. Okay, inside size box, we need to have the overlay. This is here inside size box. Now, size box cannot have an overlay. It's correct. Don't need an overlay. This can be here. But now we create the list of items. A scroll box. That is here on the left. Padding top, it should start from here. Oh no. Here. No. Here. Okay, I see it. So we have another size box. Is here. I see that this can be inside. This can be inside a vertical box. One. This is size box. 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 lista. Oh, I'm stupid, guys. Wait a moment. This needs to be outside. This can be here. Not here. Here. No. This can be here. But not here. Here. This vertical box. Can have a bit override. Don't remember which one was it. But maybe something like that. And vertical alignment down to the bottom. Because it's a size box. But here it worked. Here it's not working. Oh, this. Right. This. Let's see if it's working. I'm not sure. Let's duplicate something we have ready from here. And this is list process ordered. Okay. We need here also we duplicate this one. So duplicate it. So, cannot duplicate. Okay. Okay, a border can just have okay. So I need to have a vertical box. Oh my God. to be a vertical box. Oh, okay, something like that. Now I can duplicate this one. Okay, this is not what I want, but it's something. To delete this one, I need less space. No, wait a moment. Space was okay. This space. Stop. And oh, quality is slow. Checking, sorry guys. Checking why the quality is low. Oh yes, it is low. Thank you Kunal for telling me. Okay, I have found it. Guys, Kunal, I will stop it. Need to restart the stream. Come back.